Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can change your account name in TikTok. How to do it? Everything is very simple. For this, you need to go to TikTok. Click on your profile, then click Edit Profile. Now where you have here it says Name, click, and here you can erase the past name and write a new one. Write a new name and click Save, but be careful, you can change the name once every 7 days. So click Save and Confirm all, nothing complicated. Now from here you go out, refresh the page, and you have changed your name. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye.